Hey guys, in my presentation today, I decided to discuss changes with the company I recently worked for, which was Bank of America. And it was more than one change that actually took place. It was actually multiple changes with leadership. And I wanted to discuss that and how that change affected me and also affected my staff. So the change was multiple leadership changes within 4 years. So within the last 4 years, um, there were six director changes that happened within that time. What that caused was it caused my team to feel abandoned and feeling defeated, because what happens is when you have a new leader, you establish a relationship with them. That leader learns things about you learn things about them. You also figure out things that you want to work on with them. You come up with a plan, an action plan on how you're going to succeed, how you're going to get better, with the hope that eventually you will promote to a different role. But what would happen is every time there was a leadership change, you had to start over. So the entire organization felt feeling of abandonment, because it's like, wow, you left me after you worked together and came up with this plan for so long. So I kind of also want to talk about the different stages of changing. So I actually found this online. It's the different stages of changing, and this is something that we actually use. I actually used it in one of my previous jobs also when I worked for AT&T. The different stages of forming, storming, norming, and performing. So at the beginning, you start with forming because you're forming your team. The team is forming. You have a new director. You have a new person coming into the team. And then eventually everyone's working and forming. And then eventually you go into the storming phase. So when you go into the storming phase, that's where everything's hitting the fan. Like, you are going at it. You're seeing things you don't like from this person or an individual. But eventually you get to the point where you start norming. You start understanding them, why they're doing the things that they're doing. They begin to understand you. And then at the end, you begin to perform. So that's the performing stage. And this goes around and around. And this could change multiple times. So in Bank of America, what would happen is we would go into the forming phase, go into the storming. As soon as we got into the norming, we were sent back into forming again. So, and that was pretty consistent. It was rare that we got to the performing stage, because we never actually got to that point, because the change happened so quickly. And how did the people react to the change? Well, it changed the morale. The morale dropped dramatically in the company. Everyone felt unhappy about where they were, because everything constantly changed and you couldn't get used to a routine or a system. Because of this, also in the Tulsa market, the retention rate had increased to 69%. That was actually the highest in the nation. And although I no longer work there, that was actually as of September of 2019 when I left. So I'm pretty sure it's still pretty high right now. And also, like I said, it's just because of that fear of the unknown. You don't know what's going to happen. Everything's as soon as you get to a routine, things constantly change. And that fear of the unknown is what really drove the high retention rate with the team. And also the morale really changed, because the morale was always low to begin with because of the company changes, but as soon as it began to rise a little bit, the morale would go down, but it wouldn't go back to where it was before. The morale actually went down even further, because the people that actually were bought into that last person now believes they're not bought in at all. Their buy-in is even less than what it was before that happened. And that was pretty frequent that happened. In my presentation, thank you guys for your time. My presentation was over Bank of America Leadership Change. And thank you guys, and you guys have a great day.